Hi, I'm Richard Byrne. In this video, I'm going to share with you my 5 favorite Google tools for social studies teachers and students. As some of you know, my background is in social studies, and these are the tools that I love the most from Google for social studies classes. So let's take a look at what these are. Number 1 on our list here is Google's VR Tour Creator. This is a fantastic tool that lets anyone create virtual reality tours that can be viewed in a Google Cardboard viewer or can be viewed online. You can use it to make a virtual tour of just about any place in the world that you can find in Google Maps. Now you can see here I have a list of tutorials, and this is all linked up in the description of this video. My second option is Google Earth. Google Earth Pro is my preference, but if you're a Chromebook user, the web version of Google Earth is also very good. I love Google Earth Pro because my students can create their own virtual tours of the world. They can record narrated tours using Google Earth Pro, and in Google Earth Pro, they can layer historical imagery on top of current imagery. Really cool function in Google Earth Pro, and don't let the Pro title fool you. You can get it for free and download it to use on your desktop. And again, there's a list of tutorials that I have linked up in the description here. Google Books is probably one of the most overlooked search tools for history students. Google Books allows history students and any other student to find tons of free books that they can download or read online for free. They can even crop sections out of it, use the search filters in Google Books to find free Google Books that are available to download. You can even filter it by date, publication date, author. Lots of great search tools there in Google Books. Check it out at books.google.com. And again, there's a list of tutorials down there in the description. Google Expeditions lets you take your students anywhere in the world, or almost anywhere in the world, virtually. The great thing about Expeditions is that as the teacher, you can lead the tour, or you can let students lead the tours as well. And again, list of tutorials down there in the bottom. And finally, Google Keep. Google Keep is one of those tools that people often overlook in G Suite for Education, but it's a fantastic tool for bookmarking and applying labels to those bookmarks. And the thing that I love the most about it is when students are writing up a research paper or writing up any kind of paper, they can access all their Google Keep notes right from that right-hand margin in Google Documents. They don't have to leave their document. They can stay right there in the document and just drag their notes right into the document. And again, if you want a list of tutorials about Google Keep, check out the description of this video. So those are my 5 top Google tools for social studies teachers and students. If you have any questions about them, feel free to shoot me an email, richard@byrne.media, or take a look at my upcoming course, Teaching History with Technology.